Friends, we have to talk. So I was pulling out my Danity in Cocoa Beige to send some pictures to a wig sister who is thinking about purchasing a Danity and she's struggling between two colors. And it occurred to me, this is the perfect time for me to make a video to talk with you guys about color. I just recently heard from a wig sister who purchased a different wig from a different company that I had reviewed, and her wig was much darker than mine. And while that absolutely may be true, the lighting that you're watching these videos, that I'm taking these videos in, the lighting that you see can really make a huge difference in how a wig will look. And I'm going to take you with me into some different places so that you can see what I'm talking about. So we're in my bathroom. This is all bathroom lighting. And this is the color Cocoa Beige. It is looking very, very dark. And the blonde highlights, they're not really popping in here. So if you see me make a video and I'm in my bathroom, that is not going to be how the color will look in a room with warm lighting or outside. So let's move, shall we? Now I'm in my bedroom in front of a huge window and only natural light is on me, but because the back is very dark, you are going to see the color present a little differently in here than outside. The brunette doesn't look quite as dark. I thought it looked very, very dark in my bathroom. It doesn't look quite that dark in here. Let's go outside. And now we are outside. It's a cloudy day, and look at those blonde highlights pop next to the brunette in a way that is different than in my bathroom. And when you watch reviewers like me, it's also important to remember that we are limited in our equipment and our skill set in many cases. And while I do my very best to give you guys the very best content that I can, because I never want you to make a bad purchase, a disappointing purchase, the reality is I don't have the equipment to manipulate these videos or pictures so that you're seeing the color true to the eye. I can just give you what I can give you. So here's my recommendation. If you are struggling and you are very, very particular about the wigs, the colors that you can wear, you don't have a lot of flexibility, this becomes a lot more tricky for you, and Danity may not be the right choice for you right now. Because this is considered a budget-friendly human hair wig, naturally curly human hair wig, under $1,000, in many cases under $800, under $700 even, depending on the color. It is final sale. Kirsten does not offer returns on these because she has priced them low to make them accessible to more women. And so she can't take the loss on returns. So Danity may not be the right choice for you if you are so particular about the color, because you can't know for sure what you're going to get until you get it, because you don't know what my lighting has done. You don't know what your monitor, your phone, whatever you're watching this on, you don't know how it's rendering the color. Hold on, I'm gonna go in one more lighting and finish this thought. We're in one more place that I sometimes make videos. We're in my kind of kitchen area, and I'm standing in front of my sliding glass door, so it's natural light, but again, it's dark behind me. So not only do you not know all of those things that I just shared, but these are handmade items. Human hair wigs are handmade, hand-colored by a human being. There isn't any automated process that's going to add highlights, lowlights, and this dynamic color scheme. Kirsten has done it. And while she does her very, very best to produce consistency in her colors, when you have a wig with lots of highlights, or with lowlights, or with lots of dimension, there is going to be variation. You may get if you buy Cocoa Beige, you may get one that has more highlights than mine, or maybe they're a little chunkier. Plus, this is human hair. It came from a person's head. How that hair takes color can vary slightly. And while she has tremendous skill to mitigate when the hair is taking color differently, it still can. So the point of this video is to just share some of the thoughts and the process that goes into making decisions on what wig's going to work for you. And the more you can be flexible on color and broaden what you can accept, the easier this is going to be and the more wigs that are going to be available to you, because again, with a handmade item like this, every piece is just slightly unique. And I know it can be frustrating, but it is reality. And I just want you to be successful. I don't want you to be disappointed. Maybe Danity or a human hair wig isn't the right choice for you right now because of the handmade nature, but you'll get there. I couldn't wear a variety of colors either in the beginning, and it was so important to me to be successful and to stop being disappointed on this journey. I made myself. I wore colors I was super uncomfortable wearing, and I desensitized myself. So now I'm not as disappointed when I purchase a color if it doesn't look exactly like it did in the pictures in the video. And Danity is one of the most incredible wigs out there because of the price point, because of the hair quality is spectacular, and because of this natural curl. It's really amazing. I hope this helped.